This is Initial touch me, nigga. Yo, this is 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 yo, Break your fucking neck, bitches. Yeah. Here we go now. Here we going now. Here we going now. Give it away, give it away, give it away, give it away now. Just give it away, nigga. Yeah, here we go now. See what you really wanna do. Yeah, man. Talk to a nigga, talk to me. Like you can really give it to a nigga, but nobody gonna walk for me. But you really try to put it on. Stop doing it like I never did before for me. Nigga, break your back and I break your neck and I really try to put it on. Nigga acts about me, nigga acts about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga acts about me, nigga acts about nigga acts.
Try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it?
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans, roll it back with my rebel yell underneath. You wanna step to me? Said you got a long way to go. I claim that you're so hot, and you say that scares in the bedroom. You try to play so mad, had a chance you still never come through. You say you wanna come see me, cause you know you gon' fling me. I'ma tell you what, kid, you got a long way to go. Say you wanna love me, don't touch me, don't twist, cause you got a long way to go. I don't know if you could take